Hey everyone, so today I wanted to show you our OBD blocker. This is our IGLA OBD blocker. It's basically a device that prevents anybody from reading your vehicle computer through the OBD tool. We obviously have the IGLA anti-theft system in this vehicle, so if somebody creates a key, a spare key for this car, they won't be able to drive the car without the code. But this customer want to have additional protection. They want to prevent him from even creating a key or doing anything or to mess up anything with the electronics. So we installed the OBD blocker, and basically this is how it works. So I connected here my computer regularly, the way you connect any reader computer to create keys or anything. And I'm going to try to read the vehicle. So I'm going to run the scan to the VIN, and we're going to notice that the system is not able to read the car. It's trying, but it's not able to read the car. It's going to be a bit of a time text because it's really trying to get some information from the car, but it's going to end up scanning 12 different options, and it will be ending up with 0, can't read the vehicle VIN. And that's because we did not put our adapter. We have a specific adapter. The adapter is unique for every system. It is not universal. If you lose it, you actually have to replace the whole system completely. This adapter will allow anybody to read your car. So if you go to the dealerships, all you have to do is provide them the adapter, and they're going to be able to read the car. Without this adapter, they won't be able to read anything, and you have to remove the system. So as you can see, it ran everything. It couldn't even get the VIN number. So I'm going to press the cancel in here. I'm going to install the adapter. As you can see, the adapter is simple, plug and play. I'm just going to plug it in. I'm just going to remember which direction it goes. Okay, so now that it's plugged in, I'm going to do a VIN reader. I'm going to do detection to the VIN. We can already see that, you can already hear that the system is actually getting some communication. We get sound. And the first scanning, immediately we got the vehicle VIN number. So you can see I'm going to hide the VIN number when it gets it, but you're going to have the vehicle VIN number in a second. Okay, so we got the vehicle VIN number already showing on the system. Simple, quickly, only with the adapter. So if you put this adapter on your vehicle, any vehicle that has OBD2, you will save the car from any key reading, any programming on the vehicle, anything else. It won't prevent from somebody boosting your key or anything else, but for that you should have the IGLA anti-theft system. But if you just want the OBD protection, this is the best thing for you. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.